So in this accidentally funny video, you will not only see me unboxing my new recorder from Zoom, you will also see me having a moment of realization. You will see me being happy, and it really feels nice. You will also hear me and see me singing. Sorry for that one. When I speak and sing, the input light is on. And you will see me figuring out what went wrong, what I did wrong, and why I had to read the manual. So stay tuned. Here is the intro. So hello my friends. The unboxing alarm is already going off and I will turn it off because it's an annoying sound. And yes, I just bought this field recorder, Zoom field recorder, the white one, because it was cheaper than the black one. And you know, everything is black, you see here. And so it's nice to have a device that is not black, and maybe it helps me find it more easily than normally. So yeah, let's push this aside so we have a little bit more space and take a look at, you know, it's still, I didn't look in that box, so it's really an unboxing video. Complete, we would say in German jungfräulich, which means virginity, virginous. How do you say it? Does it even make sense? Oh god, virginity box. You know, someday they will come and get me with their, oh, just try it, hey, love yourself, check it. Yeah, so drops. There is the box in the box, and there is the manual, which I hope we don't need. So this is how it looks. If you didn't know that, and don't know if it's nice. If you buy the black one, you have this microphone end, which will be in black, and if you buy the white one, you will have those white squishy foam things for the microphone, and also this clamp will be white, and I guess also the cable will be white, which makes sense. So I guess this one here is the cable. Yeah, and here we have the recorder. It's smaller than I thought. I thought this would be the size of the recorder, you know, to come in handy, but this is really small if you compare it. It's not the original. Oh yeah, I'm talking BS again. It's a bit smaller. It's a bit smaller. But it feels smaller. It's really small. It's really small. Oh, it really feels nice. It really feels nice. Has this satin finish on it, which is on most of the devices nowadays. You know, maybe it will get sticky over the years, but yeah, I know how to deal with that. I also have this recorder here, which is I believe 5 or 6 years old, still works perfectly, but you know, it was sticky like a glue stick, and you have to get it off. I use brake cleaner for it. We'll show you that in another video. Man, that's a really cute piece of equipment. So some reviews said it's difficult to open the battery compartment, which is not. It's just self-explaining thing here. So where did I put the cable? You see, I need good that it's white, and so I find it quicker. Yeah, why did I buy it? Because I want to do some videos outdoor, not only outdoor, but you know, not only in front of this camera here. And as some of you guys may already know, I am a comedian in Austria, in Vienna, and yeah, sounds very, who is a comedian? I'm just starting out again after the you know, we had something like a pandemic going on, and now I restart my career, you know. Had some small venues this year. Can see it on the video here. It was really nice, had a lot of fun. I want to continue it, and I bought this recorder to record it because I had this recorder here and also the Zoom H1H, and I don't know exactly which is a good one, but you know, sometimes it's hard to understand. And yeah, I hope it's better with that microphone. And I can also do that crazy Clarkson last episode of the Grand Tour movement, you know, disconnected and say, yeah, well, that's it, gentlemen. So, okay. So, that's the reason. The comedy show is the reason, and the things I do outdoor, not only the Clarkson moment. But it's another asset. So, batteries. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm sponsored by myself. So yeah, maybe I should buy some t-shirts with my name on it because I sponsored myself, but I already have those t-shirts, and these t-shirts were sponsored by me. That's why the name is on. Okay, so yeah, it's closed now. On. Ta-da! There is a small light here when you turn it on, and when I speak and sing, the input light is on. Da 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 dum dum dum. That's the worst blues ever. Yeah, that was quite easy. So what we will do now is we will take one of those squishy microphone covers. I guess that's the real name. If you know it, please let me know it in the comments. I'm still learning, still trying to improve. I'm sure the squishy wishy is not the real name, and it's really hard to get the squishy wishies on the microphone. And yeah, also the white one, maybe they are not so good in terms of getting dirty. Maybe the black one is better, or you can wash it, but we will see what time. And we have 2 spare squishy wishies. So yeah, you can see my double chin because the beard. Yeah, that's why I have a beard. So, and now we go on record, which is this button here. You know, I watched some videos and I said it's really easy. So we have off, on, and hold. And if it's on hold, as far as I know, you can't turn it on and off. So if you have it in a pocket or so, or you sit on it, you don't accidentally turn off the thing. You play and stop and output volume. Don't know how to set that one, but you know. So okay, it's on. So nothing happened. So we don't actually know if it's on. So, okay, camera, focus on the little thing. And if I press on, there is just this red light flashing. And we do not know if we are recording or not. Yeah. So if we are recording, which I hope we do, maybe I have to press it longer. I will change the audio track. Okay, that's really annoying. So we go off again. Then we turn it on. If we turn it on, the battery and the, come on camera, the battery and the input signal will light up green, and then we turn it on record. And is it recording? some a small clap to synchronize it, to know where it begins or where it ends or where everything ends. So okay. So if it's recording, you do not see it, which is difficulto. You know, would make sense if this red light would be on. If this red light isn't better now. Yeah, but there is no red light. It's just if you talk, you have the input, and that's it. So what I will do is read the manual, find out if I have done everything right. Yeah, and yeah, and I will come back. Okay, guys, please forgive me. Please forgive me. I didn't even have to read the manual, because as I was looking for the manual, which is here on my desk, I found this little fellow here. And yeah, without this SD card, it's possibly not possible for our small and beautiful, nice looking and feeling Zoom recorder to record anything, because yeah, where should it record it? So now we have a complete different thing going on. We turn it on, we have it on, so the battery light goes on and blinks. So, and as the battery light stops blinking and lights up all the time, you also can see the input light working if there is some noise, talking or singing like I did before. But okay, don't be afraid, I won't sing again, I won't do it. So we have it on, and if I press on record now, we can see it, this small red light constantly lightning. Light is, oh my god, the red light is on when it's recording. So okay, then we can put it on hold. If we have it on hold, the recording light is still, I just put my hand on it, you can see it better. If we put it on hold, the record light is still on, but you can't turn it off here. This side, it's just blinking, but you can't turn it off. So yeah, and as I like short videos, yeah, this video is over now, so thanks for watching. I will do some tests for you. I will do a video outside where we can find out how the sound quality is and if it improves the whole thing. From the first impression, it's really nice. It feels good. I'm quite happy with my white little device here, and we'll do some testing. And yeah, thanks for watching. Until the next video, where I can see the first outdoor mission of the Zoom F2 field recording device. Bye.